Hey Jammers, welcome back to another video, and today I am just doing some random stuff. So, I have no plans for today, but I am kind of planning to have a little fun with you guys without any ads to interrupt us. Unlike some videos we actually do have. Yeah. So, there it is. Okay, we got 300 diamonds, that'd be crazy. 300 gems, that's not bad. Oh! No, thank you. Athena! I haven't. Oh my heck, she turned into an armor. Dang it, she's rare. She's rarer than me and everything I own just for that trade list. Zombie Lion. I gotta go talk to her. She had the best birthday. She literally said she had the best birthday. Go check out my video. My first ever video. Did she get it? Well, she has a way neater house than mine. Because she actually has a house. You know, today I think I'm going to decorate my den to look like an actual house. So we're going to do that. How many gems do I have that I could use? I have 2,123. We'll work with it. We can work with it. Yes, put away everything. Everything. We're going to get something like normal-ish. Like, kind of like this. Ooh, actually that looks normal for a house. We need a cherry tree to look like George Washington was here. George Washington was here, and we saved one of our cherry trees. If you don't know that common story, I'm sorry. I don't think I'm going to use this then. I should have used a bigger one. Let's actually do that right now. It's not going to save it. Haven't done anything with my lucky castle yet. I'm sorry. Please ignore those laughs in the background. They're just... My mom invited some people over to talk about church stuff. Please ignore them. It doesn't matter. It matters, like, to them and stuff, but really doesn't not to us. Oh, one sec. If you don't know what I'm doing, I'm trying to get Animal Jam prayers off of another game. If you don't know what that means, I changed my screen, so I want a local game called Transformice. I type in who plays Animal Jam and people answer me. Let's actually wait here for a minute. Unless I wait and stuff. Because it's gonna be fun. Yes. Use Lover of Song. I kind of think I've known her before. My AJ is. Why can't you just say it in one sentence? Euros. LOL. User is. Wow. I kind of. Hurry up. Oh, no! The bark is the howl. Okay. The bark is the howl. That's good to know. That's good to know. I like the bark. Is it just me or I am hardcore lagging? Welcome. No, what was it? The bark. Oh, the bark is the howl. My. Is it really that? The bark is the howl. Wow. Huge name there. You don't have any hearers. I'm sorry, I can't trade you my cow. I'm sorry. If you can't grab me. Oh, censored. Please don't look at the types. They aren't. Oh wait, I forgot. Athena's here. Hey. How's it going, Athene? Does anyone come up? Oh. I feel bad now. Oh, there's a lot of people in this. See? There's a lot of people. Okay. User. 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 I'm alive. Yes. Yes. I want to come join you people over here. Please, please, please. Thank you. Oh my! Please never watch that video again. I feel losing. Where did she go? Oh, she left my day completely. Phew. JJ Gal 123. Okay. JJ. Was it 3? Okay, it was 2. Member. Oh, member. I like that mint color. She's pretty rare. I might trade her my account for it. So. That's adorable mixture. I have to try and get that. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna choose one of my animals I'm not using. God's not dead. He's surely alive. I'm sorry, all viewers. I don't have any viewers, so I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry, because I don't got viewers. Okay, we're gonna destroy one of my wolves. You don't have very much on you. I'm gonna destroy you. I'm gonna destroy you. You're gonna destroy it. Mom. Pet, please put on some perfume, please. Thank you. You smell glorious now. You smell glorious. Bree 18991. Okay. I'll fix my outfit later. Those are the numbers. Okay. Woo-wee. She not rare. No. Okay. We'll contact the people later. What was I making again? Okay, sorry about that. I'm really sorry. Okay, so maroon color. No. That's actually the wrong secret color. I feel ashamed. Please, animal job. Please. 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 I hate you. Now I have to make a new outfit. Which I'm not mad about. Making outfit. What? A what? Mom, a what? I can't hear my mom. She talked and I didn't hear and I'm like, what? 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 One, please. Please get rid of that stench. Now we're gonna have to make a brown outfit. Oh gosh, that sounded racist. That's a cute outfit. I like it. Now, there we go. I'm officially cute. Oh, and I live in a house with no furniture. You know, I'm moving far away with the house that has furniture. I want my Crystal Palace. Crystal. Oh, I have to leave in like 30 seconds. Don't like that. I'll record another video and maybe even luckily live stream. See, I have a car in this den. Wow, a giraffe. Well, guys, this seems to be the end. I'm sorry for the really short video, but I'll see you guys later. Sweethearts, bye.